In all fairness, HLBZ already met those upside targets that we were talking about. Let's go ahead and find out what could happen in the following sessions. What is up, you guys? Thank you so much for stopping by once again on this happy Monday. This is ARCa coming at you with a technicals and raw price action thread of analysis for HLBZ. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video with a friend so that you and them could consider joining our trading community in Discord called ARCa Bulls. Okay, and one more thing, guys. Please make sure to not fall for any of the scammers in the comments, okay? There are going to be a lot of ARCa imposters down there that are going to tell you to text me and to WhatsApp me. Guys, I will never provide my contact information like that in a comment, okay? First of all, no one has my phone number, okay? So please make sure to steer clear from those thieves, okay? There are a lot of people over there trying to take your cash. Do not trust that. It is not me, okay, you guys? And secondly, I will actually never reach out to you first. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and dive right into the charts for HLBZ, as we do have a few things to talk about here. Okay, so we're looking at HLBZ on the 12-hour chart, and this is the falling wedge that we actually noticed that we've been building since about August 2022. Very curious stuff. Okay, so upon realizing this this wedge, which actually did break out at about that 90% completion, or 95 potentially, we were able to see the topside target located right at that 2.618 at about 54.55 by taking a trend line from the top side of the triangle and taking it all the way to the lowest part of the triangle, and then we can apply it to the supposed area of breakout. Okay, so in this case, you can see that the price action today went very close. So in all fairness, this has technically already made that upside move. And if you're a Crypstex ARC-Series indicator holder, then you would already have known that this was the upside that I was looking for per the play that we actually posted last night or yesterday before today's trade, right? So let's go ahead and now move on to the next chart and see what the potentials can be. Okay, so regarding volatility versus momentum, which is how we were able to also see an upside move of about 22%, of which it overshot to about 140%, retraced, came back to that target we were looking for in a Discord members area, and then it continued to the upside, meeting exactly to the point where we were suggesting, right at that 1.618 at about 48 cents. Okay, very, very curious stuff over here, you guys. So now let's go ahead and now move on to the next chart, as there are a couple more things that I would like to talk to you about. Okay, so the 30-minute immediate short-term time frame, or actually this is 1 hour, sorry, the hourly immediate short-term time frame is still suggesting a little bit of an upside at an overbought percentile. Still good, okay? The 4 hour still suggesting some upside as well. A little weak in that pivot, but still upside nonetheless, and absolutely in the overbought percentile with let's see historically, with still plenty of room to kind of go based on this iteration here on August 2022. Okay, now this 8 hour, the 8 hour is absolutely an overbought, and just this is suggesting upside still. And please do notice that in that August iteration, the 8 hour chart, or the 8 hour RSI, actually led to about 93.5%, and we're currently sitting at about 90 and 90.32. So still some room before a pullback. The daily is actually still suggesting a massive upside as well. And if we take a look historically, the only other iteration was, of course, that August 2022 time, and this had reached the top side of about 84.52%, while we're currently sitting at about 80%. Okay, check this out. The 3-day still suggesting massive upside, and now entering the gravitational zone of the bull weakness percentile, which means an upside continuation is very, very likely after some things to figure out within the immediate short term. 5 days suggesting the exact same thing. Huge, massive upside. Okay, you guys, so this still apparently has juice. Look at this weekly, look at the bi-weekly, still upside to go. But I want to urge you to be very careful within these things, because sometimes people may just actually sell off. Okay, so my overall target based on let's see, based on a range, actually is still essentially right at around that dollar mark, maybe 93 cents. Okay, so around here could be that area where final profits can take that, that free cash. So be very careful with this asset as it's getting more and more dangerous as we approach that. Okay, or those targets. Okay, you guys. So that another thing is that if you are interested in picking up any of the ARC-Series indicators that we offer, please make sure to subscribe not only to the YouTube channel, but send me a DM on Discord or Twitter, and I will be able to give you the subscription packages for that. The affiliate link in the description below for TradingView software, if you'd like to, kind of mark up the charts beside me, go ahead and click on that as well, as it will help my trading future out greatly for you to start an account with TradingView. Okay, you guys. So I think that is going to do it for the video today. Find a Twitter link and a Discord down below if you want to go ahead and say hi in those platforms as well. Okay, but with that said, I wish you well, a very good night, and I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios.